Welcome to Breaking the Block and a quick update. So I finished Gringotts, which now means I am moving on to one of my end of the year projects, which is I'm doing my own Diagon Alley, which means instead of paying $500 that I do not have, I am parting out what I have in my inventory and hopefully creating Diagon Alley. I'm also, while doing so, expanding some of the buildings and coming up with some mods to them. So keep an eye out. We're starting with Weasley's Wizard Wheezes, which I did have the 2023 version of. So we'll see how that kind of goes along with what the Diagon Alley version is and ends up coming up with my own version. One of the first buildings I'm starting with, speaking of the 2023 Weasley Wizard Wheezes, is the Owl Post. I'm creating my own mock for what that building is because I know that was a huge disappointment to me of what that building was when it was with the Weasley Wizards, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully I'm creating a better, bigger Owl Post at Diagon Alley. Yeah, but that's what's going on today. And